Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will practice another scenario of Salesforce formula. The scenario is like how to update account rating automatically based on certain criteria. So let's see the criteria one by one. Here is the scenario. How can we automatically update account rating to hot, warm or cold based on revenue, type and industry? Let's see the condition first. If annual revenue greater than equal to 5 million and type equal to prospect and industry equal to education or electronics or engineering or energy, then update the rating equal to hot. Let's see the put the condition 2. If annual revenue greater than equal to 1 million and type equal to customer direct and industry equal to finance and healthcare, update rating equal to warm. Otherwise, Salesforce automatic. Without any delay, let's go to the org and start writing the formula and practicing the condition one by one. We are in Salesforce org right now, so let's go to the formula. I will give my formula name updated rating. So here start the writing the formula. What I always do for my best practice, I copy this condition. If annual revenue greater than equals to 5 million and type equal to prospect and industry. So insert the function logical test value if true, value if false. This is the if condition syntax. So, if annual revenue greater than equal to 5 million. Or you can use, now the new feature is use formula assistant. He will fix the formula. This is the AI agent, and here is the formula. If you are missing something, like I have missing the syntax error, missing the parenthesis, so then I will update my formula updated. Now if I check the syntax,
I have completed my first logic, second logic, and the third logic next condition. First condition, second condition, and third condition. While I was doing my first condition, my system is little bit slow, so that I completed a first logic, and then after that I started writing the second condition. But I could not record it. That time my system is slow, so I could not. So that's why I am showing this second logic also here. And this is the my third logic account page. So here is our auto update rating 1. So let's check the. So I have to change the type equal to prospect and engineering, and I'm only going to equal to $139 million. So save it. Let's check that auto update is hot. Now I have to, if I change the type equal to customer direct and industry equal to finance, and save it. So auto update rating is 1. So now I have to change type equal to something else, like installation partner, and leave it industry under revenue. Save it. So auto update rating is 4 because the condition is not satisfied. Here type is installation partner. So we have done all the conditions satisfied. Thank you for watching.